As a Google Workspace administrator, efficiently managing group memberships in an organizational environment is crucial. Dynamic groups in GAT Flow offer an automated solution, adapting to changes based on criteria you set and ensuring up-to-date group memberships. Flow dynamic groups are the equivalent of dynamic groups from Google, updating a minimum of once per day. Dynamic groups in Flow will also run regardless of which Google Workspace license you have. This is particularly helpful for organizations with multiple locations or frequent team changes. Let's take a look at creating a dynamic group in GAT Flow. First, we'll have to navigate to the Groups section and select the Create Group button near the top right. In the General area, you can fill in the details for the group. I'll go ahead and add the email and domain. I'll also be adding a name and description to help identify the group later down the line. Now in the Flow Dynamic Groups area, we'll want this option to be set to enabled. Now we can see the Query Builder. The Query Builder will allow you to build specific conditions using and/or rule operators. These conditions will then filter which users belong to the group. By clicking the Add Rule button, you can add a condition. To make complex conditions with multiple branching and/or operators, you can nest rules within groups using the Add Inner Group option. To remove an inner group or rule, simply click the Remove Group or Bin icon respectively. You can also set to view the Query Builder in full screen if preferred. When creating a rule, you can select from a range of predefined conditions that will trigger the automated member management of the group. You can also select any custom attributes that are added to the domain. In this example, I'll use the org unit as our condition. I'll set it to equal and choose the org unit. In this case, my domain's marketing team. So this rule should find any users that belong to the marketing org unit and add them to this group automatically. To see which users will be added based off the conditions you have selected, you can click the Show Preview button. Here we can see the users that meet my conditions. In the Predefined Members area, you can add conditions for specific users. For example, a user who should always be in the group, or a user who should never be in the group. Below that, you can set safety thresholds in case the number of users added or removed exceeds the specified threshold. This will pause the processing for the group, and a message will be sent to the email address you set. Additionally, you can add aliases, group signatures, and alter the settings for the group. Once you're finished, you can click Save. You can then find your group in the Groups section of GAT Flow. You can edit the settings and criteria for your dynamic group using the pencil icon, as well as delete the group using the X icon. To convert existing Google Groups into Flow dynamic groups, you can click on the pen icon next to a group and enable dynamic groups as we did earlier when creating our own. That concludes this GAT Flow how-to. Thanks for watching.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and ring the bell for regular updates. You can also get a 15-day free trial of GAT Plus by visiting our website at gatlabs.com.